my oh God, where I was how much ow I'm back again. I excited about this one. I'm just happy there's my first cool jack. No, wait, oh, get up.